welcome back to my channel. So I have my green background now. I love it so much. I have a lot of greens going on in my room now, in my studio room. And so it just fits better than the blue. The blue is just a temporary, but you'll be seeing both back and forth because I just film in batches and who knows what order it's going in. I don't know. It's always a weird thing. So you'll see it switch up. It'll change again, I'm sure. But today we are doing a tutorial on this GEODE cup. She's a 15 ounce, so she's a little one, and it just is so pretty. It's half matte, so all the white is matte and the rest is still shiny. We have a lot of different things. We got gold foil, we have glitter, we have glitter flakes, we have a paint pen. It was so much fun and just so pretty, just kind of the rose gold theme with some more rosy toned glitters, roses and golds. So if you guys want to see how I did this, keep watching and let's get into the tutorial. So we're starting off with one of our cups. This is a 15 ounce, it's actually a sublimation tumbler. So it's already white, that's why I wanted to use it. And also I just like the shape and it's that it's little. You can definitely use a regular tumbler, just paint it white first. So we're gonna take off the little sticker and then prep with mattify. Now we're using tack time and the little brush and cleaner that comes with it. Tack time is an awesome adhesive that stays tacky. It works great with foil sheets, burnishing glitter, mica powder, fabric, anything like that. So we're taking that to do our geode shape. It's kind of hard to see on a white cup, but we're trying to keep it more irregular and just random. We don't want anything too perfect. And you also want to keep tack time as thin as you can. When it gets thicker, it takes a lot longer to dry, and we don't want that. Don't forget to connect your geode at the bottom and follow all the way through with it. Then we're gonna add a second line of this foil here. So just go inside the lines to make another line of the geode. Then I wanted to do the same thing all around the top. So we're just doing that. And then I go up with kind of upward brush strokes. So we get the top of it more irregular shaped as well. So then about 10 minutes later, you can see the little spots where it's not fully dry, but it was dry on the top. So we're gonna start there. These are gold leaf sheets that I got from Amazon. I will link them down below. They're really cheap and they were awesome to have. So you just take that, stick it around the bottom and then tap lightly. And then you're gonna rub off the excess and kind of brush it off. So I sped it up just so you could see the process faster, but this is really fun and really easy to do. And I think it gives such a beautiful look. Why do I get so obsessed when I fall in love? And why do I cry? So then I also use a brush to kind of get the excess off. So then the top was dry, so we do that as well. I just kind of laid the full sheet down. And I love how it looks so far. Such a pretty metallic shine going on. Then we're going to use glitter glue and some of our glitter. This is Wish in small, Calamity Jane, Desert Rose, Gold Fever, and Starlight Glitter Flakes. So we're going to layer these glitters on in little sections. So I'm just going right next to the gold foil. Again, you don't want to keep it exactly even next to the next line. You want to be more random with it, get your lines thicker and thinner.
And why do I smile every time when you reveal what is in your heart?
You want to try to make your lines not perfect or matching or parallel. Just don't think about it too much and just kind of go with the flow. So first we're using Desert Rose. It's a custom mix. It's a beautiful kind of mauve dusty rose color. And if you need to touch up anywhere right next to it, go ahead and do that. So we're doing another line of the Desert Rose. And then this whole process is just as you see it. I didn't take any time between the foil and the glitter and each glitter. You don't really have to let the glitter glue fully dry. It's not going to move on you as long as you're being careful. But other craft glitter glues are not going to let you do that. They would move and slide around and you would need to let them dry in between each color. But the Colorflex glitter glue is amazing. It's not going to do that and you can just move on to your next step. So we're just layering all the glitters at one time here, get it all done to then let it all dry at once. So this is the Wish in the small cut. Yeah, you are something he don't know. That is your dreams, you like your royal. But I'll be here when your heart breaks. When your heart. And this is Calamity Jane. It's a beautiful gold and pink custom mix. When your heart breaks, baby. Baby, can you see it? Just kick back, think it over. Then we're going in with Gold Fever, just a beautiful gold. I just want you to know that. Then adding some of that in the center of the geode as well. Yeah, you are something he don't know. That is your dreams, you like your royal. Then finally we're using the glitter flakes. And this is just gonna add a nice white pop. And because they're flakes, they're a different texture than the glitter. And I really like the contrast of the glitter, the foil, and the glitter flakes. So just think about using different sizes of glitter, different shapes of glitter, and different things to make your geode. And I think it looks more realistic because geodes have all different kinds of things going on. They got different colors, different textures, different sparkle. So I love what the glitter flakes do.
Yeah, you are something he don't know.
So then I wanted to add that to the top around the gold. So just again, taking the glitter glue and making sure it's not even or a line, it's kind of jagged, just like a geode would be. Then doing the same around the whole geode.
When your heart breaks.
So that's what it was looking like after all the glitter was on. I let that dry, then sealed it with some Rust-Oleum Clear Matte Spray Paint. Then going in with Artistry Tumbler and Art Regular Formula. This is just my go-to, it's my favorite. It's the most user-friendly and I can mix up a lot at one time, so I can coat a lot of cups if I'm doing a bunch of things. But we do also have the Fast Set and Hyperspeed that are also awesome. So you guys know how to do it, just coat the whole tumbler. Then after this was dry, I did one more coat for the next step. Then we're going in with the Posca white paint pen. These are so amazing. I have yet to use the other colors. I've done just black and white, but I have a whole set from Amazon that I will link below. But again, do not make this too perfect. Don't make it too even. Don't think about it too much. Just the more random and irregular, the better. And you're just going to keep layering and adding lines as you please. So then I like to fill in a little bit of the lines here and there so it's thicker and thinner. And I did have the gold and black pens sitting there. I thought I might have wanted to use them, but as I was going, I just liked how the white looked on its own. I think it really looked nice with the rose gold situation we got. So then I did the same thing along the top, going kind of along with the gold, but not perfectly in line. Then I added a couple more lines in the geode. I thought it needed a little bit more. Then adding 2 more layers of epoxy to finish the cup. And now this next step, we are gonna matte the white portion of the cup. So just taking some painter's tape and pressing it down, angling it up and down as you place it on the cup so that we get a more jagged edge instead of just a straight line. It's really gonna add to the look of the cup and just make it look much nicer than if you just tried to lay a flat line to do your mat.
Why do I get so obsessed when I fall in love? And why?
And I actually did this technique with a cup in one of my fall series, and it's a burgundy cup, and that one has been really popular, so I figured I would do this technique again with this white and rose gold geode.
All the other things is so hurtful too. Things you say.
So you're just gonna keep doing that till you have the whole geode and the top section covered. You can see how it's just more jagged. It's not a straight line. Once you have your tape on, we're going to use mattify and a non-abrasive pad. That's really important. You don't want to scratch it too much. So get some water on there and a dollop of mattify, and you're just going to scrub Scrub, scrub, scrub in circular motions, up and down, side to side, all the different ways until you get a matte finish. This usually takes me 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll rinse it and see where we're at if I need to do any more. So I was rinsing it off. You can definitely do this in the sink. I just was not near a sink. But you don't want to remove your tape until you're sure you have a full matte finish. Also, let it completely dry. When it's wet, it's going to have more shine. But you can see there, it's more matte in the center, and I definitely need to go around the edges where the tape is more. So just keep doing this until you reach that full matte finish. So this time you can see it's fully matte. Then it was time to take off the tape. Look how cool that effect is. I love half matte cups. Whether it's a line of tape, a line of vinyl. I've done where it's like a faded effect where it just starts shiny and kind of ombres to matte. Whatever it is, I love it. So just peel all that off, give the whole cup a good wash, replace the lid, and she's done. I think this turned out so pretty. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you like the half matte look. I personally love it. I also personally love the rose gold, and I love geodes. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
We could be so perfect. I just want you to know that